Yebo. Alright. Ake ngiqhubeke futhi ke manje. So lokho ngilokho ngihamba kancane ngayo. Hamba kancane ngayo. Size siyofika size sigogode kwenye indaba. Lokho ngithi kancane. Ngoba ngifuna size sifike la esizoyigogoda khona le ndaba. 1. Abantu bathanda lento yokulapha. Uyikhwama, imithi, kuhlolela abantu ini. Right. 1. Uma kuyisabelo sakho, whether you like it or not, uzokwenza lokho. If you are meant to do it, if it's your destiny, whether you like it or not, you will do it. 1. If it's something engayona isabelo kuwe, 1, you won't have the passion for it. 2, you won't understand the in-depth structures. Ukuthi uma kuhutshwa ngento ethize iqala kuphi iziyophela kuphi. Miningi ke mfethu imndeni enaleyo nkinga right now. Abantu bafune ukumukela izinto ngoba nakube yibona umzala wakhe yenza, ebona ubani yakhe yenza, ebesathi nami angeke nje ngihlule ubani lona, nami nginayo lento. Cha, awunayo. The fact ukuthi you cannot engage with what that person is engaging with, akusona isabelo kuwena. Mfowethu, khona imoya yesabelo. Imoya yesabelo iyazenzela enganeni. Whether the child likes it or not, isabelo sakhe leso. Yemfethu, inkani bazokwenzela, bazoyenza lento whether you like it or not. And mawungalaleli, you start seeing things like, okay, qala manje ungena ezibhedlela, qala manje uyagula, qala manje phela imali, qala manje ujikelwa abangani, ujikelwa umndeni, ujikelwa ubani, ini nani. Because whether you like it or not, you need to continue, or you need to do A, B, C, or D. Then we engage in a totally different type of imoya, where kumele enziwe njani yona, kumele imukelwe, uyamukele. Singular spirits seek divine intervention. Singular spirits seek direct communication with the physical counterpart. That is a singular spirit, umoya, direct. Ungena umoya wesithunzi, ungena umoya wobungoma, ungena umoya whatever. Kuloyo moya, there are subdivisions. Hlobo luni lesithunzi esimembethe. Hlobo luni lengoma. Then we start going into uhlanga lwesihlabathi. See? Why is it ukuthi lo ugcoba umcako obamhlophe? Why is it lo ugcoba ibovu? Why is it lo izinto zakhe ngathi uphuze? Why? Think. That is the reason why kumele uhube kuphi emsamo wakho. Mfowethu, ayikho into entsha. Into yake yaba khona isakhona, isazoba khona nakusasa. Ake ngiyibambe la.